Fix the 3 wires into the slots: pump slot, LED light slot, UV light slot. Press the UV light compartment firmly to ensure the UV light slot is installed tightly. Place bio balls, ceramic rings, and 2 filter pads in order. Lock the lid and connect the LED light to the pump. L-style the control valve. Put the ring light over the control valve pipe. Install the nozzle. Single layer nozzle mode. Double layer nozzle mode. Has a telescopic function.